Next project. Okay, this was, I normally don't do a lot of two strokes, but this year they're creeping in, and I don't mind. This is actually, even though it's what I would call, even though it's a apartment store or big box store machine, it has the horizontal engine instead of the vertical one like the old, I think the old Homelites or whatever. Even these old weed eaters used to have a horizontal engine where it looked like that, and they were really heavy, and they would run more like that than this. This is easier to carry, more like that. Very similar, as a matter of fact. In fact, I was kind of eyeing up this tube. So I'm just going to check, just rinse the tank with fuel. And let's get at her. I'm going to just fish out the filter. See how bad it is. It'd be nice if the line was okay, eh? So this is going to be covered in fuel, right? So I don't know, I do this. Cleans them off. Maybe not inside, but I think it does. The line feels a little stiff, but it might be alright. So let's just poke that back down in there. Sometimes that's all they need, right? And we'll put some 50-to-1 in here, pre-mixed by me. Probably when I was whining to you guys about 50-to-1, right? Can't see, I can't see. That's enough. Okay. Gas cap. I'm not going to stick... Yeah. I guess I should stick this on. I'll stick this on last. It's the don't lose the gas cap hook. Okay. So now I'm going to just have a quick look at the air filter. Maybe. There we go. It's fair. I'll leave it off for now. We'll close the choke. Does it need priming? Oh, is the primer bulb okay? Wouldn't that be fun if it was the primer bulb? See if we got any gas moving back and forth. Feels like it. Yeah, there's gas in the primer bulb. I got a good feeling about this. And I've got screwdrivers to adjust. So instructions are on here. Full choke right there. I can see the choke. There, it's full. And let's see if it starts. Yep. what's low and what's high. Now the low. That's fun. I don't know which one's L and H though. Right, so as I thought, the L is the closest one to the block and the H is the furthest one from the block. So I'm going to start it up again. Crazy right-handed machines, eh? Made out of good plastic. Now I'm just going to check that plug. I think it's good. I don't think there's any reason to change anything. Or looks like a 3/4. I better open a door though. Don't want to get sick. That's a nice little blower. I didn't have to do anything to it. I'm just going to check the spark plug here. It's going to be hot. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, it's white. It's been burning lean, eh? But that could be before I got it, because I riched it out. So I'm just going to wait for that to cool a little bit. Clean it on the. Yeah, that's going to be a good little blower, I think. Yep, it's going to be good. Okay, I'm going to just put the pliers on these and clean it up on the grinder. I'll be back in a bit, guys. Sorry about this. Jeez. Okay. I would say it's going to be a 20 thousandths gap on the plug, and that's exactly what it is. I'm going to just get a little tool here and clean this out. Oh, it's a little finer than that, eh? Okay, well, we'll just spray some goo in there. Spray a little air in there. Put her back in. This is a nice little tool. And then I'll explain what I did, because it's all over the place on the video, right? So, first thing I did was I cleaned out the gas tank, blew some gas, or took the gas out of the air filter by blowing it with the air. Then I put some 50-to-1 in it, started it up, and just kept fiddling with the adjustments until it ran the way I think it should. Now, it was running pretty good, so first I set the H to a high rev, and then I went back and I set the L so that it accelerates smoothly. And hopefully I can demonstrate that right now. Joke! Probably don't even need it. Got the air filter. Where is it? There it is. Just set that in there and see what happens. Oh, it's got it in backwards. Just a minute. On the low, quarter turn, the other way. Now the idle. More on the low. Okay, let's leave that for, sorry, that was probably boring for you. These are hard to film, so let's leave this till tomorrow, and we'll fiddle with it. I don't think it needs a carb clean. I'm going to just wipe it down a little bit, and we'll be done. Thanks. One small thing, I just took the filter out of the tank and I'm going to blow through it backwards, see if we get any crud. It's good. We'll go down here, use the camera Bruce. That's good. Yeah, everything seems fine there. Just push that back into the fuel. I want to see that. Oh yeah, that pump works good. Oh, let's start her back up again. We'll just try choking it. I don't know if we have to, but we have to suck some new fuel in. All right. We'll just do that with the bulb. And I don't think I'll need the choke, but. Half choke. Beautiful. I'll just finish wiping it down. I think we got it, guys. I actually think it had a dirty air filter to start with, and then just blowing it off, and then once again blowing backwards through, because those are really, really tough little gas filters, eh? There, it looks brand new, doesn't it? I love it. I wish they all did this.